Magandang gabi. Narito na ang 9 p.m. Lotto result. Araw ng Lunes, September 9, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 1 and 19 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 9 p.m. draw. 9, 3, and 3 in exact order. Sa 4-digit Lotto, ang winning numbers natin ay 6, 6, 9, and 3 in exact order, with a minimum guaranteed price of 10,000 pesos. At ito naman po ang breakdown ng 4D Lotto, second prize, and third prize for your corresponding numbers. Sa Mega Lotto 645, ang winning numbers natin ay 33, 37, 9, 12, 25, and 7 in any order, with a jackpot prize of 35,733,392 pesos and 20 centavos. Sa Grand Lotto 655, ang winning numbers natin ay 41, 34, 23, 9, 45, and 27 in any order, with a jackpot price of 29,700,000 pesos. At bukas ng gabi, sa Lotto 642 na may estimated jackpot of 5.9 million. Super Lotto 649, 41 million. At ang Ultra Lotto 658 na may estimated jackpot of 148 million. Schedule ng Lotto draws ngayong Martes, Easy 2 Lotto, Suertes Lotto, 60 Lotto, Lotto 642, Lotto 649, and Lotto 658. Comments and suggestions are welcome po. Maraming salamat.